Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland logged 60 COVID positive cases, 113 recoveries and 4 deaths on July 6th. Government revokes order of 50% bed reservation at private hospital for COVID patients. 7 medical staff at CHC in Mang Kolamba tested positive for COVID-19. Naga Students Federation places several issues before Nagaland government. COVID-19 vaccine, Health Department informs on second dose. Drug peddler held in Dimapur. News in details. Nagaland logged 60 COVID positive cases, 113 recoveries and 4 deaths on July 6. Nagaland recorded 60 new COVID positive cases, 113 recoveries on Tuesday, July 6, 2021. Active cases stands at 1,134 and 4 deaths were reported due to the COVID-19 yesterday, the Health Department updated. Government revokes order of 50% bed reservation at private hospitals for COVID patients. The government of Nagaland on Tuesday revoked the mandatory reservation of 50% of beds in private hospitals for treatment of COVID-19 patients. As per DIPR report, the matter was discussed in the state-level COVID war room and it felt that the number of beds available in government hospital and dedicated COVID hospitals is sufficient to meet the requirement at present for treatment of COVID-19 patients. The state government also informed that the incidence of COVID-19 cases in the state has seen a decline over the last few days, with a similar decrease in the number of such patients requiring hospitalization. Keeping this in view, the mandatory reservation of beds in the private hospitals may not be required, it stated. 7 medical staff at CHC in Mang Kolamba test positive for COVID-19. 7 medical staff at Community Health Center in Mang Kolamba tested positive for COVID-19 on July 4. One of the staff, who tested positive on Sunday, informed the news agency that he was engaged in various duties for the past 3 weeks and would get exhausted after days' work. He said that he assumed tiredness was due to his work schedule but decided to take rest on Saturday after feeling uneasy as he was getting ready for the vaccination drive. He continued that he was fit and fine the next morning but decided to get tested as a preventive measure, and unfortunately the test result returned positive. Soon on the same day, all the staff of CHC Mang Kolamba as well as those who came in the close contact with them were tested. The medical officer informed that out of 39 samples tested on Sunday, 7 returned positive for COVID-19. At the moment, all the positive patients are asymptomatic and in home isolation, he informed, adding that contact tracing continued even on Tuesday and the CHC Mang Kolamba had been sealed for 48 hours. Naga Students Federation places several issues before Nagaland government. The Naga Students Federation has placed several issues including the Indo-Naga political problem and Nagaland Staff Selection Board before the Chief Minister of State through its representation. The Federation stated that it is committed to the Indo-Naga political issue and remains undeterred in upholding the cause that is just, fair and righteous. While lauding the PDA government for forming the core committee on Naga political issue, it appealed to sincerely and proactively work towards ensuring that peace and unity prevail among the Nagas, and all the Naga political groups and civil society organizations come together under one table for an early, inclusive, honorable and acceptable solution to the protracted Naga issue. It also appealed to the government to liaise with the Government of India to expedite the process of Indo-Naga political dialogue with the negotiating parties and ink the final agreement. COVID-19 vaccine. Health Department informs on second dose. The Department of Health and Family Welfare has informed people who received the first dose of Covishield vaccine before April 6 to take second dose as they have completed the intervals of 12 weeks, stating that those beneficiaries are now eligible to take the second dose. The department requested the beneficiaries to contact the district immunization officer, medical officers, health staff or village or colony chairperson to find out where and when the next COVID vaccination session would be conducted in the respective areas. Drug peddler held in Dimapur. Security forces in a joint operation with state police apprehended a drug peddler at Old Shauba, Dimapur district on July 5, 2021. The PRO informed that, based on a specific input, a joint operation of the security forces with state police apprehended a drug peddler and recovered 690 number of SP tablets and 1 soap case of brown sugar worth Rs 29,250 at Old Shauba, Dimapur district, Nagaland. The apprehended individual along with the recovered has been handed over to Dipobar police station, Dimapur district for further investigation, the PRO said. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.